Here we are at Walmart and their Easter section is all out. Here they have some peat bubbles that come in blue, yellow, and pink. This will be a fun little idea. And then here they just have some more Easter decor. Look at this pretty wreath for $4.98. You can make your own with this mesh. Some more fun things here. Some Easter eggs to hang up for garland for $2.98. They have these little snails, birds, chicks with a little Easter sign. They have this little Happy Easter sign for $4.98. These decorative little bunnies with little sticks for 98 cents. They have these Easter egg lights, 10 for $4.98. There are these daisy string lights for $4.98. More snails, some chicks, little bird, some plates for $2.44. These are 97 cents with little chicks. Here they have these little ones with Easter eggs for 97 cents. They have these cute little napkins with little bunnies. Happy Easter. These longer ones. Plastic table cover for $1.97. And look how fun these little water bottles are. These are $5.92 and it comes in different colors. And I really love these. They're actually plastic. They're these tumblers with the carrots. And then they have one with the flowers. This is super cute for only $2.98. And then they have just little, how cute is this, with the egg hunt basket for $1.47. And then another one with Easter eggs, perfect for like a little gift. And then here they have like an Easter egg tray, some headbands and a tail, more headbands here. They have these Easter bunny glasses, more headbands, some coloring books, more plates here with the little bunnies. And look how cute these are with the little bunnies on them for $1.47. And I like these carrot ones too. Perfect to put a little something on. They have some coloring books, some little glasses here. Let's see. Just a little extra that's cute. And then some more just basket stuffers. They have these chalk eggs here for only $1. You get 6 of them, I think. Some bubbles with the little peeps on them. How cute. More bubbles. They have this little dino bubble set. These ice cream bubbles. Let's see, then they have like these little plushies for only $1. Comes in different colors. And here they have these mystery eggs. Then here they just have like some creative activities that you can stencil out. Frisbees, has a little rainbow on it, has a little shark with the bunny ears. And they just have some more art things here. Look at these fun pencils with all these different patterns. These Easter pencils. This little Easter fan bubble. This little game here. More fun little glasses. There's these little rubber ducks. More dino Easter eggs. Look at this. You can color on it. It's a little plant holder. You can do a little DIY craft. There's also these little other basket stuffers. More things. Here's like a bunny bubble machine. And then these little pouches. And then here they have this little set of beads where you can make your own bracelets and necklaces for only $3. And it comes in this fun little butterfly case. And they also have a little section here where they have some light up Easter eggs. You get 6 of them, and these are for $3.48. And they also have some bigger ones as well that light up. And then they have these glow in the dark ducks as well. You get 4 of them for $3.48. They have this LED plastic egg grabber. And then look at these pastel ones too that are LED light up eggs. Those are pretty. They have like this little necklace that lights up with the little bunnies on it. This headband that lights up as well. These glasses that light up. These are egg glow sticks. And then they have like these little glow wands with the bunny and the chick. Glow bracelets that say egg, happy Easter, flowers, and enjoy spring. And then they have like this Easter light up decoration for your yard. And then this cute little bunny that is 4 feet tall. Then they also have these LED glow in the dark signs. There's different ones. I think that would be super fun to have like a little Easter egg hunt at night. They also have these LED light up buckets for $3.48. Comes in blue, green, and pink. So that is it for this like LED glow in the dark section, which is so cool. I've never seen this before. And then they also have this section with the paper Easter grass. Comes in different colors. So this is a lot to choose from here at Walmart for Easter. Here's a little overview of the candy section. They have these Reese's eggs, mini Snickers, milk chocolate Cadbury eggs, jelly beans, Hershey's, different variety of chocolates, the little Twix minis, pastel M&Ms, M&M minis, Skittles, Starburst, Fun Dip, gummies, just a whole bunch of different candies here. And I'm loving the little creative Easter packaging on all of these. So cute for Easter. This one's really cute. So there's a lot of candies to choose from. Here are some little bath bombs, some Ghirardelli's bunnies, lint, different bunnies here, some Peeps, s'mores, little cross chocolate, Kinder gum, Happy Hippos, these Nerds ropes, Peeps gummies, these M&Ms, cotton candy, Tootsie Pops. So many candy options here at Walmart, and they're all reasonably priced as well. So perfect for anybody. There are some little cheese balls. How cute is this? It comes in like the little carrot. And then here are some fruit punch Peeps. I've never seen that before. And look how cute this packaging is with the 2 bunnies. And then here they just have some different books, coloring books, stickers. They have some Easter eggs already for $7.86, and they are pre-filled. More pre-filled Easter eggs. They have a whole bunch of Easter baskets as well. I love this ribbon, perfect for a basket. They have these carrots, this little bunny. I really like this one with the flowers. All different patterns here for only 98 cents. And look at these fun bows. This would be so nice on a basket. They also have these green mesh baskets and pink baskets as well. They also have some wrap here for 68 cents. Some bag wraps as well for 98 cents. Some plastic Easter baskets. This one's nice with the flowers. More down here. Then they have all of these woven baskets with the different colors. So a lot of options to choose from, and they're also very reasonably priced. Here we have this little Peeps backpack clip. How cute are these? These are, it doesn't say the price, I'm not sure. And look at these fun little felt baskets. You got the carrot, the bunny, the chick. They also have like these car ones, little cow basket, more bunny baskets up there. And then they have all of these window cling stickers, the gel ones as well. I like these really cute gnome ones. Then they have these flowers, a Happy Easter one. And these are really nice signs. It says Happy Easter with the different colors. They have some Easter garlands, more window clings. And then they have these for 54 cents. Just little Easter things you can stick into a basket, a vase, anything like that. And then this cute hanging decoration, it's the little bunny in a carrot cart. Here they have a little bunny Lego set. You can build a bunny with a carrot and a flower. Here they have more Easter things here. Look at this little Easter cup, some Easter baskets. Then they have all of the coloring the egg kits here, different ones to choose from, dipping them in baskets, different things. And then here they have all of the plastic eggs, so many. I think this one's fun with like the little golden egg. A lot of pretty colors for the springtime. You get all these eggs, 48 pieces for $1.98. That's a pretty good deal. And here they have like some fun ones with like little cheetah, camo. These are pretty with the little sparkles. Ones with little flowers. These are clear little bunnies. 3 of them for $1.24. And look at these. They come in like little bunnies. It comes in blue and pink for like a major big Easter egg. And look how big this one is. It's a jumbo clear Easter egg for $6.98. And then here they have 100 pre-filled eggs for only $14.98. Here they have 50 eggs, 250 Easter eggs, a big box of them. And then here they have more different ones, 144 eggs for $8.48. And then here they just have more of the different ones with the patterns on them. So they have so much to choose from here. And then here they have all of the little plushies you can add in a basket. These bunnies, rooster, sheep. They have more of these Easter baskets, some dino eggs, Minecraft stuff, Spider-Man, Star Wars, Hello Kitty, Easter eggs. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a like, and make sure to subscribe as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.